Cricket, a gentleman's game. Cricket is a popular sport that is played and loved by millions of people around the world. With its origins dating back to the 16th century in England, cricket has evolved into a game that is not only competitive, but also embodies a sense of tradition and fair play. This essay will provide a brief overview of cricket, its rules, and its cultural significance. The basics of cricket is played between two teams, each consisting of 11 players. The objective is to score runs by hitting a ball with a bat and running between two sets of wickets at each end of a rectangular 22-yard pitch. The team that scores the most runs wins the game. There are different formats of cricket, including test matches, one-day internationals, ODIs, and 2020 T20 matches. Test matches are the longest and can last up to 5 days, while T20 matches are the shortest and typically conclude in a few hours. In a cricket match, one team bats while the other team bowls and fields. The roles are reversed when the innings change. Each team has the opportunity to bat and bowl, and the team that performs better in both aspects usually wins the game. The rules of cricket has a complex set of rules and regulations, but some of the fundamental ones include: 1. Batting. The batsman's primary goal is to protect their wicket, the set of 3 stumps and 2 bails. They earn runs by hitting the ball and running between the wickets. The batsman can be dismissed in various ways, such as being bowled, caught, or run out. 2. Bowling. The bowler delivers the ball to the batsman. The objective is to dismiss the batsman and limit the number of runs scored. Bowlers use various types of deliveries, including fast bowling, spin bowling, and swing bowling. 3. Fielding. Fielders aim to prevent runs and take wickets. They can catch the ball, run out batsmen, or effect dismissals in various other ways. 4. Scoring. Runs are scored by running between the wickets or hitting boundaries. 4 runs if the ball crosses the boundary rope on the ground, and 6 runs if it clears the boundary without touching the ground. Cultural significance. Cricket is not just a sport. It's a way of life for many. It has a rich history and traditions that have been passed down through generations. The sport is deeply ingrained in the culture of countries like India, Pakistan, England, Australia, and the West Indies, where it enjoys a passionate following. Cricket has the power to unite people across boundaries. It has the ability to bring together diverse communities, creating an atmosphere of celebration and camaraderie during international matches and tournaments. In conclusion, cricket is a sport that combines athleticism, strategy, and a deep sense of tradition. It continues to capture the hearts of millions, offering thrilling moments and unforgettable memories to fans all over the world. Whether you're a player or a spectator, cricket is undeniably a gentleman's game that inspires a sense of unity and fair play.